one thing that a lot of shooters miss is kind of directing people, directing the couple, directing the bridal party, directing the guests, even the officiant, whoever you want, people setting up. Don't be afraid to say, this shot would be great if that person was, over there, or if that person walked into the shot, out of the shot, if that guy walked towards me. If I said, hey, walk this way, and I'm gonna get like a over the shoulder shot as you're walking. Let's say I've had a gimbal, or let's say they're pouring the drinks, okay? I'm gonna get a slider depth of field and zoom in so it gets in focus once I'm zoomed in. Can you start pouring? And I'll tell you when to pour. Okay, as I'm trying to go, okay, pour, and then you get that shot that you want. But it's important to not be afraid to direct shots, to say, hey, here's a shot I'm gonna do. I'm gonna need this person to kind of be my actor in it. Bridal, the couples, same thing. The photographers do that all the time. I don't think the photographers could really work if they weren't directing the couple to what they want. So don't be afraid to do the same thing. And to also have time, to schedule time with the photographer to say, okay, I'm gonna need 5 minutes. If you wanna shoot, that's fine. Maybe turn the clicking sound off or the flash or something so you're not distracting, but I'm gonna need that time to get the shots that I need. And then you'll get your shots, I stay out of your way, but also I'm gonna need some primary time with them. A little bit of time they can direct what you want them to do. That's especially useful. You want those couple shots. You want those shots where they're together. That's useful B-roll, the most useful B-roll for a wedding. But it's so important to think about that, to practice that. It's not something that's gonna happen right away. You're gonna become great at directing people, but as you do a shot in one wedding, it worked really well, you're gonna know you can go back and you can direct somebody to do that shot again. Okay, and always keep trying a new thing. And it's good if something doesn't work, if something fails, because it means you're trying new things. So, don't be afraid to direct people. It's a huge thing that I think people leave out.